Now we are going to perform our old lab, which we didn't complete due to some issues. Now this time to perform that lab. And the lab name I think is yes, EC2 resizing. Perform this lab. Those who raise hand, please ask the question. Please ask the question on the chat box. So now we need to perform this lab. This is the lab. Yes, this is the lab. Someone is asking, can we get study material? Yes, you will get the study material and the LabX account, or sorry, the exam voucher on your Alibaba Cloud account. So if you don't have the Alibaba Cloud account, don't forget to sign up the Alibaba Cloud account. Get the Alibaba Cloud account ID, and once you submit the survey form, they will ask you the Alibaba Cloud account ID in order to assign you the exam voucher and the relevant study material. If you don't have Alibaba Cloud account and or you will not provide the Alibaba Cloud account ID in your survey form, you will not get any voucher. Okay, so please complete the sign up by today. It's a 10 minutes activity. Are you all ready to perform this lab with me? Let's start. Now I'm going to start the ECS data disk resize and change. Now what we need to do in this lab, we have to perform the disk increase on our existing server. So let's start this lab. This is a very small lab, but we can complete that. Uh-oh, saying you have already running one lab. I don't know. uh, let me check where the lab is running. Oh, stop lab. Okay, okay, this end. Now let's start this lab, but the lab which is the ECS data disk resize and change. So the lab is a start. Let me open the console here. Okay, need to add the username. password is okay. The account is open now. So I need to go to the ECS part, all the Elastic Compute Service. Okay, the server is now running. We need to connect this server. So we have the credentials. Okay, so the password is Ali123, or this is the password as well for administrator. So let me try to get access if we have a public IP. But the server is too much old. It's taking time to open. Sorry, it's taking much time to open a console. Now this is the IP. Let me try to take an RDP. Seems the remote session is disconnected. So what I need to do is let me try to connect. There is an option to connect. And there is another option to open a VNC option. So let me open here the VNC connection. This is the ECS workbench which allow you to connect without a remote desktop. This option is available only in Alibaba Cloud. Okay, it's available. Send remote command or delete. Password we have is let me copy and try to paste. That's working. Are you all able to see my screen? Now you understand what I'm doing? Now what I need to do is I need to extend the hard drive. So our objective is to extend the virtual machine hard drive. हमें मशीन की ड्राइव को एक्सटेंड करना है बाहर से एंड देन अंदर से एक्सटेंड करना है, दोनों जगह से. So first we will start from outside. So if I go to the cloud disk, OS is asking, sir, I have created account on Alibaba, now on LabX as well. I'm confused compared with AWS, as we create AWS free tier with any bank card to avail free offer, but in Alibaba do we have this option free tier? ओके देखें, LabX के ऊपर तो फ्री टियर पे कोई लैब नहीं होती, बट अलीबाबा की जो रियल अकाउंट है उसके ऊपर फ्री टियर में लैब इस तरह हो सकती है. देन फाइंड आउट द अलीबाबा फ्री टियर and find the services which offer on the free tier and you can perform the labs on the credit card easily. Now we have 2 drives available. So what I need to do is no associated snapshots and both the disks are attached. So these are system disk, this is a data disk. So let me show how the labs will be performed. First I need to go inside. Let me go here. Let me show you how much drives we have. We have the 40 GB system disk and the 40 GB data disk. If you see here, we have the 40 GB system disk, we have the 40 GB data disk. Now the second option is 40 GB text document new, just to show you that thus we are using on the same drive. So let me go and create a new folder first, test123, and we will go and create the new text document, test123, and put it the name called Alyun inside. Let this one like Alyun. Save this and then resize the data disk to 60 GB. What I need to do is go to the disk, more, and resize disk on the data disk, right? So what I need to do, go to the data disk, click resize option. OS आपको जवाब मिल गया. चलें, थैंक यू. ओके जी, सो डिस्क खोलना था हमें, यहाँ से बंद हो गई. मैं जाता हूँ दोबारा से रीसाइज पे जाता हूँ यहाँ से। दोनों कर सकते हैं डिस्क, डाटा डिस्क और सिस्टम डिस्क दोनों कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स ट्राई टू रीसाइज बोथ डिस्क। ओके, so what I need to do is resize disk, this type, now we currently we don't have any snapshot. I'm checking where is the resize option available here. More operations, resize. Guys, this is the survey link for all of your. Don't forget to submit this survey link before the end of this session in order to get vouchers and the free learnings, right? Make sure submit the form with the good marks, because if the session is not good, definitely you will not be able to get. Okay, just a minute, let me check the survey. It should working fine. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, let me ask it. आपको इसको 2 बजे से पहले भरना है। अच्छा, हम वापस इसके ऊपर आते हैं। हम अपनी लैब्स परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, सो लेट मी चेक दैट. Yes, I understand. I have a data process. Click on this. Yes, now this is the option. वेट, सलमान और बकिया लोग जो हैं, सर्वे मैं दोबारा भी खुलवा रहा हूँ, तो वेट करते हैं जब तक कि लैब को कंप्लीट करते हैं. नाउ आप सबको यहाँ तक समझ में आ रहा है कि हम कहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं? नाउ वेयर वी आर, right now we are going to increase our existing server data size. So are you all sync with me? Now I'm going to increase to 60 GB, let's say. I have read. Okay, we have two options, online resizing and offline. So what is saying the options is online resizing. So online after resizes it, the new size immediately takes effect without the need of restart, and offline resizing it take a restart. Increase. Online resizing is working. Now the disks are resized successfully. Team, I am giving you guys, I give you the new link. Please check it. Now it cannot be decreased, Zahid. It can only increase. So let me go back here. Check the machine. जब आप लोग अपना फॉर्म भर दें, प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो. वंस यू सबमिट द सर्वे फॉर्म, डू लेट मी नो. Not now, submit before 2 p.m. Now if I go back and if I check that the size is still 40 GB, why? Can anyone have any answer? Not refresh. There is another option, let me show you. Go to start, run command. Correct, yes. Call compmgmt.msc. Refresh. Now as you can see, the 60 GB. extend volume, next, next, next. Now the size is 60 GB. Now let me refresh here as well. As you can see, there is a 60 GB size available. वैसे आप कभी भी फिल कर दें, कोई मसला नहीं है, बट इसके अंदर जो रिमार्क्स हैं वो आपने ऐसे देने हैं कि ये कोर्स फ्रूटफुल हो। अगर कोर्स फ्रूटफुल नहीं होगा तो फिर आपको ज़ाहिर ACA का वॉचर्स और चीज़ें नहीं मिलेंगी। तो इसके अंदर कोई भी ऐसा फेक रिव्यू या ऐसी चीज़ें मत डालिएगा जिसकी वजह से कोर्स लगे कि कोर्स सही नहीं पढ़ाया गया है, क्योंकि अगर कोर्स सही नहीं होगा तो ये कोर्स दोबारा रिपीट होगा, और रिपीट कब होगा, किस मुल्क में होगा, ये भी नहीं पता। ठीक है, सो इसके अंदर वही डालिएगा जो कि मतलब सही है। ठीक है, परसेंटेज जो होगी वो तकरीबन जो आप जो भी फॉर्म भरेंगे वो 4.5 से ऊपर होनी चाहिए, कीप इन माइंड। ठीक है, ओके, सो इज़ इट डन? सबको समझ में आ गया? किसी का कोई सवाल है तो अभी पूछ लें। डू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन? प्लीज़ आस्क मी। Okay, so the lab is completed for this ECS. Now let me going to stop this lab.